We are working with a group of smallholder farmers in Zimbabwe who have spun out a small food manufacturing company that produces vegetarian burgers and sausages for the local market. This specific challenge that we were trying to address here is that the smallholder farmers, their land has highly degraded soils, which have lost their water holding capacity and their nutrient holding capacity, such that even if they were to apply fertilizers, those fertilizers and the water will just leach away into the water table, and the crop is left exposed to a very poor nutrient environment and a very poor water availability. So their crops would experience drought even when you have adequate rainfall that should see their crop through the season.
My role in the research project was to facilitate the provision of cowpea seed to get the seed from Zimbabwe to Durham University. We also had to be the facilitator between the seed companies in Zimbabwe and the Durham scientists and the smallholder farmers.
In this project, I was the lead scientist, and I helped to frame all the scientific questions and to direct the actual research that was being done within the lab and within our greenhouses. The solution that we were trialing within here was to find locally available low-cost materials that could be applied to the soil in order to change its chemical and physical properties so that it can now retain water, so it holds on to water after an episode of rainfall, and also so that it can hold on to the nutrients even if you apply a little bit of fertilizer.
The impact that the project had on our organization is that we were able to build a new consortium. We also secured some funding for the smallholder farmers to have a better output. And also they were introduced to the new Biochar Technology, which was never used before in Zimbabwe by smallholder farmers. The benefits of collaborating with the UK organizations is that we learned a lot of things in terms of how to deploy the low-cost technologies to the communities. We also benefited from the Durham University, who are looking for further partners, who have also introduced us to manufacturing businesses that are helping us to improve our own operations in Zimbabwe and to look for new markets in the United Kingdom. I shall be visiting the United Kingdom soon so that we strengthen this position and to make this project go further.
We managed to achieve all the objectives that we wanted about transforming the soil to become a productive soil, but over and above that, we made an unexpected discovery that nature actually uses natural soil microbes to achieve exactly the same thing. And this discovery is now being developed further with collaborations with UK industry and other academic institutions within the UK. And finally, the project strengthened our collaborative arrangement with Veraga Limited, the Zimbabwean SME, and also, of course, the stakeholders in Zimbabwe.
From international collaborations, I have realized that this is the only way for Africa to go. If we are to grow, we need international collaborations. We also learned the importance of consortiums, which are built from these collaborations. And we also find that it is much easier to secure funding and people are more confident with our product and our project.